Hey guys, guess what I'm gonna do today? Spray Axe all over my room. Here it is. Just open the cup. And now, I shall spray this all over my room. Whoop, I dropped it. Here it is. Spray. Ugh. Oh, yuck. That's it for today, guys. Follow me on Facebook, Jake Szynski, and follow me on Twitter, XClutch101. See ya.